Hey guys, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to be talking about how protein shakes can be an athlete's best friend. Are any of you gym freaks trying to get bigger biceps or a puffier chest? Well, I might have a solution for you besides working out, and that solution is a protein shake. For someone who goes to the gym 5-6 times a week, I drink protein shakes frequently. Not only do they taste great to me, but I think they make me feel healthier, they make me feel stronger, and I feel even happier after I drink one. Today I'm going to inform you all on the benefits of taking protein shakes, the different types of proteins and how they function, and how much protein you really should be taking per day. So let's jump right into it. What is protein? Protein is a macronutrient that is essential in building muscle mass. It is found in meat, seafood, poultry, grains, beans, dairy products, and other resources. So, how does protein work? Well, according to Top Fitness magazine, protein is made up of amino acids which aid and cause many of the reactions and processes in your body. When you exercise and lift weights, you create tiny macro tears in your muscles. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down and uses those amino acids to repair the tears. They surround, fill the tear, and make the muscles bigger and stronger. So now that we have a quick overview of how protein works, let's look at the two most common proteins today, whey and casein. So whey protein is a liquid remaining after milk has been kerneled and strained. It consists of A-lactobumin, B-lactoglobulin, serum albumin, and immunoglobulins. Whey is the most common protein today, and it can be sold at retailers all across the world. So some positives and negatives of whey is positives, it has been shown to help with weight loss because it'll make your metabolism slow down and want to eat less. It has been shown to lower cholesterol, and it has been shown to reduce blood pressure. However, some negatives of whey is, since it's derived from milk, not everyone can have it because some are lactose intolerant. However, and also, high doses have been shown to cause stomach pains, cramps, reduced appetite, nausea, and even acne. But for the most part, whey has been shown to be safe to consume. Now let's look at casein. Casein is a slow digesting dairy protein. It is most commonly used right before people go to sleep because it takes so long to digest and help recover the muscles. For positives, most people believe it provides faster muscle growth than whey, but also it has shown to improve metabolic rate. According to James de Medeiros of mensjournal.com, he wrote, a study conducted in the Netherlands in 2016 found that by multiplying casein by 2.5 times, participants were able to have a higher metabolic rate while sleeping and a better overall fat balance than before. Some negatives of casein is it's derived from milk. So just like whey, some people just cannot have casein. That's why people turn to soy protein or rice protein, just some other alternatives. People have taken casein have also had reports of digestive problems, but for the most case, that was from high doses and has been shown to be, for the most part, safe to consume. Now, asking how much one should consume a day is a tough challenge. The question varies on weight, sex, and the amount of exercise you have a day. But for registered dietitian Jessica Crandall, she states, a safe level of protein ranges from 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight up to 2 grams of protein per kilogram for very active athletes. But most Americans truly need to be eating about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So basically, she's saying the average person should be eating around 50 to 60 grams of protein per day, and if you're an athlete, maybe even go up to 65 to 68 grams of protein per day. Being informed on the different proteins and how they function, what they do to the body, and how every protein is different is important information for common gym members like myself and others. As for someone who drinks protein shakes often, I love them. I think they taste great. I think I'm happier. I think I'm stronger. And I think I'm just in a better mood after I work out. At the same time, I know that protein shakes aren't for everyone. Some people just don't like the taste of them. Some people don't see the results that others do, and that's totally okay. I think protein shakes, if you're trying to get a summer bod, trying to increase the muscle mass for the next school year, I think working out and then popping one of these things, I think is a great idea. I would love to hear what you guys think about it, and thank you so much for listening to my speech, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.